World Championship long jump gold medalist Gayle has welcomed the news from the Diamond League General Assembly, which has approved a revision to the final three format for throwing and jumping events. As such, they will scrap the last round shootout for the win, but will have special coverage for athletes on their sixth attempt. Gayle, who is also the national record holder with 8.69 meters, agrees with the change.
I like that idea better than the first one. I never respect the fact that all my efforts during the round was pushed aside and I have to put all in one attempt, whether or not it foul. Now that rule has changed, that they will use the previous jumps, makes it way, way better. It sounds like a very interesting season already. And let's see how it's going to go.
A return to the traditional format means the best clean attempt over the 6 rounds will earn victory. A tweak will be made to the running order, with the best performing athletes competing at the start of the 4th and the 5th rounds and not the end. All live track and field events will be stopped for the duration of the 6th and final round to give the focus on the athletes.